On this week's edition of Brown and Malaise, we have this Cane Blade GE Vent brown thing with these funky bulbs that Gabe got at Walmart. Pretty cool. He had the box for the bulbs, so I don't know where it went. Let's turn it on. I believe that's low. It's variable speed, if you can see it up there.
Variable.
Try not to trip over the scrap pile. Did this come as a J-hook fan? Or?
Yes.
Huh.
It had a belt canopy, but the down rod's too short for the canopy.
Okay.
But if I put a longer down rod on it, it hits the end, yeah.
Anyway, as you can see, it's got that nice aesthetic low that people love. And go up a little bit. I don't know how far I went up on that, but we'll see in a minute. It's spinning faster, so that's a good sign. What's going on back there? I really like these bulbs. They're really cool. Go up a little more. Scrapping in process.
Honey wells are no more.
No more Honey's wells.
That sucks. The fan has kind of a cool looking top motor.
Go up more. It's got a pretty big motor in it.
I think it's a 188 or 125.
Looks like one of those cast motors.
Cast motor. It's cast. Alright.
It's definitely working pretty good. Leave the light on now. Go all the way up. We'll do full send on it.
Making my way downtown,
This works pretty good. That's good air too. It's weird that it has those ornate brackets. Are those original? And off. Scrapping in process. Just casual here, scrapping in the background.
Gabriel scrap.
I like that lamp he has over there.
They got pot metal bricks.
Pot metal. Pasta. God damn.
Jesus.
That's enough of the coast down, folks, but thanks for watching.